again, thank you all for tuning into my channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Easter DIY project, okay? Not too much talking, we're going to jump right on in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull you guys down a little bit. Okay, so today we are going to be creating a candy Easter basket, okay? A candy Easter basket. And the basket itself will be made out of these boxes of candy. As you can see, they all are different sizes. But that's okay. We're going to make it work, okay? So I have them on top of this poster board that I have. And that's going to be our base. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my boxes of candy where I would like them to be placed. I'm going to make sure that the writing is on the outside. Okay. Like I said, I know they all are different sizes, but we're going to make it work, okay? So right now it's looking pretty good. I think I can go ahead and glue them all. It's not perfect, but it works. Okay, it works. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue a little bit on each side. I'm not gonna put too much. Some of them have plastic, some of them don't. But we all know that plastic do melt. So just gonna place a little bit. Press it down for a few seconds. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps for the other side, okay? All right. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and hold them all for a few seconds. I want to make sure nothing falls apart. It's pretty good. So we attached them all, and now I flipped it over. Now I want to place some hot glue just a little bit. I don't want to place too much on each box, okay? Just a strip of hot glue on each box. And then I'm going to flip it back over and place it as close as I can to the edge of this poster. Okay. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and cut off the excess poster around it, because this was just for our base, so that our candy and our like Easter grass and everything can sit inside. So we can go ahead and cut off this poster around it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this messy grass. I do not like this grass, but it's cute, okay? And it's a filler. I purchased this from Dollar Tree last year. Like I said, I do not like it. I don't like the way that it feels really. It's like really, really messy, but it's cute. And it's pink, so I want to see it. But I'm not going to use too much of it. This is good. Okay, go ahead and move this to the side. Try to grab as much as I can for the inside. Wrapping it around. All right, so now I don't know exactly what I want to do for the handle, but I have a few options. So I can either use some ribbon, some Easter ribbon. I can either use some solid ribbon, or I think I'm going to use this because this sounds much better and it looks a bit cuter to me. Or I can use these Easter ears, the little headband. I think I'm going to use that on the side. Let me see. Or how wide would it fit on this side? Okay. So either way, I think that it will work. Only thing is, I still want it to be usable. So I think that I'm going to place some double-sided tape. Or I can either use this sticky dots that I use for my balloons. I think this will work better. So I'm going to go ahead and test that out. Maybe I put 2 or 3 dots on each side. And then we'll see how it holds. Okay? This might be a little bit too heavy. Oh, well, not really. Okay. Perfect. Great. We're going to roll with it, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and place my candy, the Easter eggs, and whatever else you want to place inside. I'm just going to place whatever I already have at home. not really making this for anybody in particular. So I'm just going to go ahead and start placing whatever I have. Okay guys, so here is the final look. Now what I was afraid of is that once I put everything inside, it would be like a little too heavy. But guess what? It's not. Look how it turned out. This is pretty cool. I love the way this turned out. Now I was inspired by a Pinterest post. I was like, oh man, I gotta recreate that. So this was inspired by a Pinterest post, and this is my version. So I hope that you guys like the way that this turned out. And if you all didn't notice my little money card in the bag. So if you haven't seen my video that I posted about the money card, go ahead and check it out and let me know what you guys think. Okay? Like the video, thumbs up, love the video. Make sure you share with your family and friends. But stay tuned because we do have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.